witnessing the artificial substitute of everything, and we still have the greed for natural and organic goods, not sure about what we could find natural except one, the natural ice cream. Could anything be better than ice cream with no artificial products? I can think of anything else. Natural ice cream does not contain any artificial preservatives, flavors, and any stabilizers, justifying its name. It's complete an ice cream brand that proudly based on Juhu's scheme. A lot of people have to let go of their dreams because they don't have the privilege to fulfill them. But this man, with his hard work, made sure that he get what he desires, and in the end, achieved it. We are talking about Mulki Raghunandan Srinivas Kamath, founder of Natural Ice Cream, the son of a poor fruit vendor who made his way from a mud house in a Karnataka village to Mumbai city a few decades ago, and today had a rupees 100 crore turnover in Natural Ice Cream Company. He was the youngest of seven siblings, born into humble beginnings. Raghunandan experienced a very idyllic childhood in his home village. He spent his days climbing, exploring this surrounding, and indulging in mischiefs whenever possible. Kamath family's financial conditions were always poor. Raghunandan's father was a humble fruit vendor and earned just barely enough to sustain the life of seven children and his wife. From mango, strawberry, coconut to lobster and corn ice cream, there are plenty of flavors to fall in love with. Yes, you heard that right. And all thanks to Raghunandan Kamath's natural ice cream. After failing to clear his board twice, Raghunandan Kamath was sent to join his brother's South Indian eatery and sell their homemade ice cream over there. He had the idea of selling homemade ice cream and he wanted to go beyond chocolate and vanilla flavors to make ice cream with real fruit pulp. Eventually, after the brothers split, Raghunandan got some money from the restaurant and decided his own venture. Raghunandan Kamath set up a small shop in a small space around 200 square feet and six tables in the Juhu Kotiwada area in Mumbai. Raghunandan ventured into the unknown and stepped away from this selling the usual chocolate vanilla flavor and concentrated on original fruit pulp. Now my friend Raghav will continue.
Beginning of Naturals Ice Cream. After a lot of struggle and failures, the son of a fruit vendor from Mangalore, Kaman's passion and perseverance finally paid off. In 1984, the Raghunandan Kamanth launched Natural Ice Cream, first store in Juhu, Ville Parle in Mumbai with 4 staffers, then 10 ice cream flavors. To do this, he used his father's knowledge of picking the ripest fruit. Raghunandan decided to keep his ingredients simple: fruit, sugar, and milk, and soon the ice cream began a rage. After a year, he stopped selling pav bhaji, and Naturals Ice Cream became a full-fledged ice cream brand. The simple idea of offering something cold after a lot of hot and spicy dish worked. He clocked a revenue of 5 lakh rupees in the first year from his own tiny 200 square feet shop in Juhu's Kodiwala area. A year later, he stopped selling pav bhaji to become a full-fledged ice cream brand. The modest eatery with 6 tables was now offering frozen desserts in 5 flavors: Sitafal, custard apple, Kaju, Draksh, mango, chocolate, and strawberry. Fast forward to 2021, the single ice cream parlor has grown into 135 outlets in various cities, offering an average of 20 flavors at a given time. This is the story of Naturals Ice Cream that recorded a retail turnover of 300 crore in a financial year 2020 and was named as India's top 10 brand for customer experience in KPMG survey. Today, the brand has 135 outlets, different cities across the country. In the year 2020, they had a turnover of rupees 300 crores in 2021. Kamanth in 1986, I was watching the Sunny Days in TV program anchored by cricketer Sunil Gavaskar. During the interview, Vivian Richards, the former Indian cricketer captain, mentions that he had been working to Naturals ice cream outlet like the Chiku ice cream and custard apple flavor. It was such a thrill and unexpected bag thumping to according to Economic Times. The picture shown here is from the movie set of Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi. The Amir Khan film set has been shown in Naturals ice cream outlet. Thank you. Now Paras will continue. Parasnath will continue. Parasnath.
पारस
सोनाली, पारस है क्या क्लास में?
है।
पारस है।
पारस,
पारस
सर वो म्यूट है।
ask him to unmute.
Hello,
Yes,
I will speak in Hindi, sir.
use any language.
यस पारस स्टार्ट।
माँ से मिली प्रेरणा। बचपन से ही आर.एस. कामत ने अपनी माँ को करीब से देखा जब वो अलग अलग तरह का खाना बनाती थी। अच्छे भोजन के लिए कोई त्वरित नुस्खा नहीं है। उसकी माँ उसे स्वादिष्ट भोजन बनाने के लिए पर्याप्त समय देती थी। उन्होंने आइसक्रीम व्यवसाय में भी ऐसा ही किया और गहन शोध के माध्यम से विभिन्न स्वादों का आविष्कार किया। वर्तमान में नेचुरल्स बहुत सारे अपरंपरागत स्वाद बेचता है, जिसमें ककड़ी, गाजर का हलवा और अन्य शामिल है। ये फ्लेवर कम लोकप्रिय फलों जैसे चीकू, ब्लैक ग्रेप्स, जैकफ्रूट्स, लीची आदि से ब्रांड वैल्यू बढ़ाते हैं। इन स्वादों के माध्यम से लोग समझते हैं कि नेचुरल्स को फलों के बारे में अच्छी जानकारी है। 11 साल में चाहता था कि मेरी आइसक्रीम, आर.एस. कामनाथ कहते हैं आइसक्रीम मेरी माँ से खाना पकाने के लिए नकल करे। नेचुरल के आर.एस. कामत कहते हैं कि गुणवत्ता सभी स्वादों में एक आम बात है और इसके लिए कामत अपनी माँ के आभारी हैं। उसने उसे गंभीरता से भोजन तैयार करते हुए देखा और प्रत्येक भोजन को समय दिया। कामत परिवार में त्वरित व्यंजनों के लिए कोई जगह नहीं थी, जो आज उनके ब्रांड में परिलक्षित होता है। आज के समय में उनकी पत्नी अन्नापूर्णा और उनके 2 बच्चे सिद्धांत और श्रीनिवास ने ये कंपनी के उनके साथ मिलकर संभालते हैं और उनके पास 125 स्टाफ काम करते हैं, जो कि अब लगभग 120 टन आइसक्रीम बना रहे हैं। अब मेरी फ्रेंड डोली कंटिन्यू करेगी।
फिर रोहित विल कंटिन्यू एक्चुअली।
Okay. Technology behind the naturals. Kamant also built a machine to deseed the fruit like sitafal and jackfruit, which he learned from his mother. But as the business was growing, it was getting difficult to manage the demand over the supply. Our ice cream needed a special equipment and techniques since it was the natural ice cream were offered a unique flavors. These machines involved a tedious process of deseeding by hand and could only manage 24 kilos once at a time and only able to scale daily output of 1 ton per day. For the last 3 decades, Naturals has sourcing their milk from a dairy in Nasik and acquiring the fruits from all across the country. And they have the Naturals ice cream having the state of art factory situated in Kandivali, where the ice cream is prepared. Kamant has also focused and his team also emphasis on keeping their customer aware about the history and giving an insight into their day-to-day functioning by implementing different theme in parlor. There were no MBA level strategy employed by the daring businessman Kamant, a simple businessman who just wanted his targeted a niche market, and he's done hard work, and finally his hard work pays off. Now my friend Dolly will
Raghunandan Kamath has groomed his sons Srinivas and Siddhant to carry on his legacy. He is a noted philanthropist and has donated huge amount to education and other causes. The Ice Cream King also suffers from diabetes and was sad and unable to consume on its own product. He has revealed in an interview and that he knew what his flavor would look like from the color and shine and the expression on people's faces. This is truly a rag to rich story. Even more than that, perseverance and dedication and talent will always shine even without the formal education. The main reason for the success are the quality and hygiene. Consumer could not ask for more. The sweet and the pure taste of natural ice cream will always be in the taste buds of consumers. Raghunandan Kamath's inspiring story proves that you don't need to have an educational degree to come up with a successful business model. All you need is sheer hard work and a good instincts and ability to always learn. Naturals Ice Cream Naturals Ice Cream, being an artisanal ice cream brand, has grown substantially due to three reasons. Three ingredients, that is fruits, milk, and sugar. As per the marketing tagline, Taste the Original, the brand focuses on original flavors such as sitafal and tender coconut, etc. The company has worked on keeping the customer aware of their history by making the significant implementation on themes in their parlor. There are no MBA level strategies. Of course, there are not. Kamath took a huge risk, but it paid off. At last but not the least, I want to conclude by saying that you don't have to wait for a great opportunity. It is important to start and build upon the small ideas to create the big wins. Thank you.
So, done.
Yes, please conclude.
So, done with the conclusion.
Right, right. लास्ट में तो आपको बोलना चाहिए ना एक बार कि विद दिस और प्रेजेंटेशन एनीवे चलिए ठीक है यस सोनाली जी
Yes, sir.
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट
Thank you, sir.
So coming up next is group number 3. The participants are Shiv Shankar, Rahul Agrawal, Ramendra Pratap Singh, Jayesh.
नहीं
Sir?
पहले अपन जजेस का ये ले
Judges
लेते
का
हैं
yes हमें ले पूछ रही रोशनी और राहुल.
So the slide was good. PPT
एक मिनट रोशनी ना
Yes, sir.
रोशनी जी रोशनी और राहुल एक मिनट राहुल जी हाथ उठाइए ओके यस पूरा पॉइंट वाइज एक एक करके बताइए क्या अच्छा लगा कहाँ कमी किए पूरी चीज बताइए
जैसे उन्होंने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था उनकी फर्स्ट स्लाइड और उनकी जो छोटी सी उन्होंने क्लिप ऐड करी थी वो काफी अच्छी थी चित्तल राघव
अरे क्या कर रहे हैं यार बात हुआ कि नहीं प्रेजेंटेशन के टाइम पर जल्दी से दूसरे का फोन फोड़ देगा कनेक्टेड नहीं होगा
yes please continue
चंचल एंड राघव स्पोक वेरी वेल उन्होंने जो छोटी सी क्लिप यूज करी थी काफी अच्छी लगी वो काफी अच्छी वैल्यू इंप्लीमेंट की थी उन्होंने और
Thank you, Rahul.
So the matter was good. It's very nice, very attractive. PPT is also very attractive. And last में मेरे को थोड़ा लगा कि उन्होंने ending अच्छी होनी चाहिए थी, कुछ conclude करना चाहिए था. and बीच में थोड़ा technical issue हो गया था. It was fine. It's a technical problem, but overall it was nice.
Yes, agree with you, रोशनी. Actually लास्ट में प्रॉपरली जैसे आप किसी चीज को ओपन करते, मैंने डे 1 में भी आपको बताया था कि ओपनिंग ऑफ योर प्रेजेंटेशन एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ योर प्रेजेंटेशन दोनों बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. ओपनिंग आपने बहुत ही अच्छी करी, स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी थी, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं पर ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, तो पढ़ना नहीं है बल्कि स्पीच देना है. तो इससे थोड़ा सा बचने की कोशिश करें आने वाले ग्रुप, और ये हमेशा ध्यान रखें कि बहुत जल्दीबाजी ना करें, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग सफिशिएंट टाइम टू स्पीक. तो अपने विचारों को, अपने थॉट्स को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करें, धीरे धीरे करें, और इन सभी चीजों को लेकर के करने की कोशिश करें और अप्लाई करें उन सभी प्रिंसिपल्स की या लर्निंग्स की जो हमने इफेक्टिव पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग वाली क्लास के दौरान में जो सीखे हैं. ट्राई टू मेंटेन आई कांटेक्ट विद कैमरा, क्योंकि आप चूंकि पीपीटी को रीड कर रहे हैं तो आप कैमरे की तरफ बिल्कुल नहीं देख रहे हैं, लेकिन आप पढ़िए, लेकिन बीच बीच में भी आपको कभी ना कभी कैमरे की आंख का सामना भी करना चाहिए, जिससे आप कनेक्टेड रहें पब्लिक के साथ. ये सबसे एक अहम मुद्दा आता है. ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छी तैयारी करी थी, और स्टोरी भी बहुत यूनिक थी, नई स्टोरी थी, और इसी तरीके के डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस को से हम लोगों को बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने का मौका मिलता है. ओवरऑल ग्रेट, जोरदार तालियां ग्रुप नंबर 2 के लिए.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay, so group number 3, the participants are Shiv Shankar, Rahul Agrawal, Ramendra Pratap Singh, Jayesh Lalwani, led by Priya Modi. And the star element of this group is full of goodness. It is a nutrient-rich liquid food which we consume every single day in our daily lives, in one way or the other. And the judges for this group will be Parasnath and Chandan.
Shiv, share your screen.
Sir, I have connected through my laptop. Please make me co-host so that I can.
क्या नाम है आपका?
Sir,
नाम बोलिए.
शिव शंकर सर.
शिव शंकर मैंने ऑलरेडी बना दिया है क्या?
Sir, I have logged in through 2 devices. That's why.
Okay. Now you are co-host.
Sir.
Right?
Wait, I'm leaving. Sir, now make me co-host, sir.
शिव शंकर, शिव शंकर, शिव शंकर.
Right now I'm logged in through one device only. Kindly make me co-host.
नहीं, किस नाम से आपने लॉगिन किया है? You are co-host already.
You are
शिव
not
शंकर.
audible, sir.
शिव शंकर, you are
Hello,
already
hello.
co-host. आप co-host हैं already.
Okay, sir. I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, perfectly visible.